Hey guys, my name is Joshua and today I'm going to be filming my third YouTube video. Today is going to be the best video of them all. So guys, you ever wonder in survival how to get diamonds? Okay guys, so I'm going to be teaching you the settings on how to land in a ravine every time. If you don't get diamonds over there, you can make a new world and get diamonds. Okay guys, first one I want to do is go to create a new world. Create a new world, name it anything you want. Put it on creative, okay? You need to put on creative. World type peaceful so you don't get any mobs. And world type infinite. And difficulty level peaceful. Okay, and seed. Listen guys, this is the most important part of it all. You have to write it down. So I will write it over here. If you don't do this correctly, your whole plan flops. It's 7, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 4, 7, 0. Okay guys, and if you think like I'm lying or something guys, and by the way you have to press show. Actually, you know what, it's your choice. If you want to put show coordinates, I want to put immediate respawn, always day. Y'all can keep an eye and keep inventory always, because if you'll find diamonds and if you'll die now, and after you you have to press keep inventory, so even if you die now you can get it. And then if you want to put multiplayer off, you can put it off. So right now I'm going to put it off, and now see I'm going to create it. Okay guys, so once it created, and actually I'll show you guys full proof. Let it stay over here only. I'll show you full proof. So guys, I press proceed. So guys, now you have to just wait for a few minutes and it will land you to an island, okay? It should be with sand. It can be with anything, okay? It has to just be an island. And you have to fly up. And guys, you will get a guaranteed ravine. Okay guys? A guaranteed ravine. But if you don't get diamonds over here, guys, so you know what you can do? If you have too many worlds, you can delete Minecraft and then download it again if you all want, guys. If you all want. So guys, now you'll just have to search for diamonds, and I'll just find it real quick. Come on, any diamonds? Diamonds, where are you? Come on, wherever you are. So guys, and what you want to do is, even if you find diamonds, okay guys, so supposing you will find everything, gold ore and all that. So guys, you need to take any block that you can, any rod. Supposing these are diamonds, you need to put it underneath over here and here, and make sure it's 2 blocks tall, because sometimes the diamond and guys, when you're mining this, don't mine it, okay guys? Don't mine this, okay guys? Don't even think about mining it in creative. You go to your setting, okay, pause the thing, go to your setting and click on survival, and then you can mine it. And guys, I'm going to be showing you another way on how to get diamonds for free. So guys, I'll meet you guys later. Guys, now what you want to do is you need to find island, okay? A proper island. Meaning it can be any island with anything. I just found a random island, not a jungle or anything. So guys, this is a random island. So what you want to do is dig in creative, and you need to put show coordinates on, okay guys? You want to put show coordinates on, okay? In creator mode, and then you dig so deep now till you reach 11, between 12 and 8, okay guys? and from there you start digging between 12 and 8. Then once you reach 12 or 8, between 12 or 8, I would say 10 or 9, or even sometimes 11 will do. So that much, and then get a normal, like get a diamond axe or get a nether axe, and then start mining it normally in survival. Then you guys need to switch the world to survival, and then you guys need to mine. Okay, these two are the fastest ways of getting diamond in Minecraft history, or you can like just go and find boats. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications if this worked for you. Bye.